All right, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is CAC AI speaking. So I want to quickly address a particular question I've noticed so many people ask, and I make videos like this just to make sure that I don't have to keep repeating myself whenever people come to me for issues like this, right? So that's why I'm making this video. If you like the kind of content I make, kindly subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Now, the question I'm trying to address is one, basically those that are having issues with name difference in the sense that when they were creating the accredited the public user account, they made a mistake in filling the details of their names, right? So maybe they mixed up the first name with the last name with the middle name, and at the end of the day they noticed that there's no correlation between what they are filled in the user database, that is the proprietor's details, and what they have on the ID card. So you're having a conflict of name arrangement. So all those having those kind of issues, here's my solution to how you can resolve that. Now, there are two options basically that you have to be able to resolve this particular issue, and the first way to resolve it is one, you cannot do anything about it. And what I mean by that is that once the account is created and you are done creating the account, you cannot do anything about it. You cannot edit the name. In fact, you can go and try it. Go to the edit profile part on the dashboard and you will see that it will not allow you to be able to edit the details of the person that created the account, right? So if this is not possible, then there's no way you can edit the name. And the option you have is that you can just finish the registration, especially if you are paid before you notice this error. If you are paid before you notice the error and you don't want your money to waste somehow, you can just wait. When you get to post incorporation, you can do edit of the proprietor detail. You can change some names and maybe phone numbers and any other detail that is incorrect on the details of the registration. That's one. Two is that another option you have is to abandon the registration and recreate another new account. And what I mean by that is that the reason why I'm giving this as a recommendation is because the money you're going to spend in the post-incorporation process to fix the irregularity in the name is going to be expensive, especially if you don't have access to a post-incorporation account or an accredited agent account to make the changes yourself, right? It's going to cost you more, almost the same money that you use to register the business. So, and that's why one of the issues I have with most people when they come to me and tell me that, oh, I want to do this, and I give them the fee, and they feel like, even this business, how much did I register it, right? They will feel like, oh, the money is too much. And that's the truth. Post-incorporation processes are far more expensive than even the cost of registering the business. So on other occasions, it's always advisable to make sure that you do everything right, and you use an accredited agent or someone who knows what they are doing to carry out your business registration. Don't just depend on what you've watched online alone. Even though that is good enough, pay attention. Sometimes it's not just by watching videos online, free videos online. Sometimes you need to purchase the course, because those videos might not be detailed. I also make free videos online, right? But I understand sometimes because of time or want to just make something quick, we don't go in detail. So we decide to create courses that helps explain every nitty-gritty that you need to understand about business registration. So those are my recommendations to those having that kind of issue with conflict in the name arrangement. So now, how do you even avoid this particular issue? So you are here to register your business. How do you even avoid this particular issue of name rearrangement or misarrangement or whatever the case is? The first thing is this: note that your first name is your personal name, and when even creating the account, go and carry your ID card and use the exact name arrangement on the ID card. That's the only way to save yourself from all this nonsense, right? Go and use your ID card. Use the exact name arrangement. If you're using an NIN ID card, use the name arrangement on the NIN ID card. If you're using an international passport, use the arrangement on the international passport. If you're using a driver's license, use the name arrangement on the driver's license. And one of the ways, or one of the places where most people make mistake, is that the portion of the last name, the surname, and the first name, they mix it up, right? So your surname is your father's name, your last name is also your father's name, right? I don't know if you understand what I mean. Your surname is your father's name, your last name is also your father's name. Your first name is your own name. So, and even if that arrangement is not correct, use exactly what you have on the ID card that you want to use. And some of you, that mistake has already been from the origin. The BVN has that error, the NIN has that error, the certificate cannot now be different from what you have on the ID card. In fact, when people send me details of registration when I'm registering business, I don't follow it. I follow the name arrangement on the ID card. I've seen situations whereby someone sent me a registration, they sent a different name, they sent a different ID card. When I was trying to read the person to complain about this detail, and we're trying to, haste to complete the registration, we had to use the name on the ID card. But later I now said, oh no, we've done a change of name on this particular name. And I understand that, right? So if change of name is done, send the ID card that contains the change of name, or that carries the change of name, or send an affidavit to, ascertain or confirm that this name has already been changed from this particular name to this other name, right? So I want you guys to please make sure you avoid this error, because it's going to cost you more, especially if you are a novice, or you just hand over a registration to someone who is accredited or who knows what they are doing. And you can send that to us. Just click on the WhatsApp link down below in the description. I'll send me a message on WhatsApp, and then we are going to attend to you, get your details, and help you skyrocket your registration process without any delay. My name is Akinbola Ezekiel. If this video has really helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and let's see in the next video. Thank you, and God bless you. Happy Sunday.